Estaca, Cebu. We have our package deal on our food. This is called Lechon. They're going to see it now. And there are my friends. Karen, say hi. Chris, hi. No. PG, hi.
So you're patient. I would have jumped up.
Okay, they're going to open. Let's see what's the reaction of because this lechon is a whole pig, and I don't know if there's in America like this.
Reminds me of an Arkansas Razorback.
It is a razor.
That's our sports team, our pigs.
Oh, don't tell me we don't have a knife. Wala? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, we'll find
Grace,
something.
wala yung knife?
No, I forget it.
Oh, jeez.
Lorelai's been waiting 5 years to eat this poor pig.
Yep, there's no lechon in America.
Mau ba?
Yep. Hey, there's a fee. Every time you go, you bring a lechon, the whole thing. Usually in the beach, they always have extra charge.
Oh yeah?
There's like a 350 pesos for the charge.
Why is that? I think
Maybe it's occupied the space.
Did you show this other food?
No, not yet. So this one is what? What's the name?
Chicken?
This one, what's the name?
Lumpy?
Oh, David knows it. Okay, this
What is
one.
it? Lumpy?
No.
Lumpia.
Uh-huh. Don't touch. This one is what?
Pancit.
Pancit.
That's what.
Oh, magbuhat magani mi. He knows how to cook pancit.
Yeah.
See?
I know how to cook this.
Oh.
Yeah, I
It took a while.
No, in America we cook it on an open flame with 2 cups. of rice. We don't use it.
Oh, this is our spaghetti. Woohoo! And this is adobo. What's this? Caldereta?
Chicken
It's a
caldereta.
chicken caldereta with
Carrots and patatas.
These are my
carrots and what?
Patatas.
Potato. It's good. This is a common food if you have an occasion in the Philippines.
We made these for Thanksgiving.
And this is the rice. It tastes good if there's what kind of this banana leaf. And of course, Philippines needs a rice.
Chicken egg.
Okay, come here. Tell me about this Coca-Cola no sugar.
They forgot to put the sugar in the soda.
What's the different taste of the Pepsi here in America?
I think they forgot to put sugar in that too.
Why is not that sweet?
No, that's why it's coats bitter.
Hala, Jean, naman ka. Asa man is Jean?
No, asos. All right, so you slice. Let's see if you can.
We got a knife, or you just want me to tear into a knife?
We're going to use our hands.
Okay, hear it. Oh my goodness. Oh, really? Chunky.
Tara, Jin, Jin. Panit, Jin.
Ikuan di ka videohan pa ka. Pagbuha.
Piyos.
Maybe
Oh!
pull one of the legs.
Karag yung paglamit pagkakaon ha?
Agyak.
Oh, kan dako sis. Dili atong tanawon be videohan.
He's tough.
Let's see. Ay, gunit sila kami video.
How it tastes? Tastes good.
Crunchy. And it's not
Jean, bata Jean.
Oh, what's the taste?
It's like pig.
Whatever. Pork or pig?
Pork is pig.
Good, huh?
Yeah, it's nice flavor.
Dili. Tapos paita rin mga gagmay.
Crispy.
It's really crispy, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Yun, kaon
Saan
yun.
mo kada, Chris?
Isa.
Wow.
Mm.
The really
All right.
crispy part is really good. The
Okay,
crispier-
what is your comment about the taste?
The crispy skin is really good. It's a little oily, but a lot of fat in it, so it's good.
What do you think, John Ray? How's the taste?
It's good.
Good.
Good. How about you?
I think it'd be better with beer. Just saying.
You wanna buy beer?
I'm just saying, it's probably
Yeah.
beer would go very well with
We
it.
can go buy beer. Not a lot. There's only a few, so we don't get drunk.
No, I'm saying Lorelai.
Yeah, one glass for
Mahurot
each.
na ang skin. May gani mga unang Pinoy skin unahon.
Yeah. Okay, what you can say about how the Filipino eat the
Good.
Maricris comment about it's already a peel of skin.
Oh.
for jewelry.
I thought of the name. We'll call the pig Porky. Porky the pig.
All right, see you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.